Hello guys, and welcome to finally the video that we all have been waiting for. Well, not really. This is just the first. I'm gonna bring it to the wrap shop video. I don't think there's gonna be any wrapping in this video. At least I don't think so. Why is it so dark? Holy crap. There you go. Turn the brightness up a little bit. So yeah, it is 8:30 in the morning. Been up since 7. Preparing the car a little bit more. I got rid of the rear spoiler. Rear spoiler is gone. I took the hood pin wire thingies off because I don't want those to rub on the new wrap, so those are gone. And pretty much everything else is ready to go. The car looks extremely stock right now. Like, it hasn't been looking like this in a long time. You can see right here, especially because of no rear spoiler. It looks kind of funny. So yeah, I don't even know if I told you guys what kind of shop I'm going to. It's called Bullet Auto. It's in Clayton, North Carolina. This guy, he wrapped some more known cars before. He wrapped the Ford Mustang Mach-E race car, and he also some loud tires. He also wrapped the Mustang from Vaughn Gittin Jr., the Drift Stang. So yeah, pretty much that's it. I'm gonna make myself on the way here in a couple minutes, and then we will see us when I get there, which probably, hopefully, is gonna be very exciting. I'm gonna try to get some B-roll, but I'm gonna have to talk to him if he allows me to get some B-roll from him wrapping the car. He said it's probably gonna take like 3 days, 2 to 3 days. So that would be on Thursday. I'm planning to pick it back up. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. We will see us when I get there. Here we are. Bullet Auto, he's already here. I can see his car right there. So I'm gonna go inside now and see how we're gonna do this. And then, yeah, I don't know if this is gonna be all in one video, you know, like getting the car wrapped and the reveal, or if that's like 2 separate videos. So I guess you guys will see after this clip if there's any more coming. Let's see what happens.